Hey everyone, if the sound in Hollow Knight Silksong isn't working on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several proven solutions step by step to fix audio issues and get everything back to normal. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open it, then click on Hardware and Sound. Select Sound. In the window, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Just select them and click Set Default. This makes sure Windows is sending the game audio to the correct device. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device in the sound window. Select Properties. Go to the Levels tab. Make sure the volume is not set too low. Sometimes the issue is that the system-level audio is muted or too low, not just in-game. Solution 3. While still in Properties, open the Advanced tab. Change the sample rate to 48 kHz or 44.1 kHz. Click Apply, then OK. Using standard rates avoids compatibility issues that can cause missing or distorted audio. Solution 4. Go to the Spatial Sound tab. Set it to Off. Press Apply, then OK. Disabling spatial sound often fixes 3D audio conflicts that interfere with games. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Updating your audio drivers ensures full compatibility with the latest game patches and Windows updates. Solution 6. In the same Update Driver menu, click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver and press Next. Once installed, restart your PC to apply the changes. If your current driver is corrupted, reinstalling it can restore proper sound. Bonus fix. Sometimes audio issues are tied to outdated graphics drivers. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait while Windows updates your GPU to the latest version. And that's it! One of these solutions should fix the sound not working in Hollow Knight Silksong on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy playing Hollow Knight Silksong.